Okay, my guys, as you know, I'm at token 2049, but that doesn't mean that I'm not looking at the news. So what happened yesterday? Well, we got a rate cut, right? And instead of 25 basis points, we got 50 basis points. Now, there is something very important in order to understand if this is bullish or not. Let me show you right now, because this will blow your mind. Now, first of all, you need to understand that if you invest your money right now, then you can get the risk-free rate, right? You see the US 2-year is 3.655, and so basically you can get a risk-free rate of 3.6%, right? If you give the money to the government, you buy treasury bonds. Okay, cool, sounds great so far. But the problem is that we have inflation, right? So is that actually a good rate? Can you still make money with that? Well, let's see, right? Let's see how much is the inflation, right? Because the inflation, by the way, this is the rate cut, you can see it here, goes down. And so let's go to the website where you can see the inflation, right? Now the inflation is basically 3.5%. Now 2.5, okay? So let's now take these two numbers and work with them a little bit. So if I get 3.6%, right, per year return, and then I subtract the inflation, then I have about 1.1% yield. I'm making actually 1.1 purchasing power plus per year. Now that is not a lot of money, right? So now it gets interesting, because whenever you get little money, right, when you take the risk-free rate minus the inflation, then basically you're thinking about, maybe I should do other things with my money, right? Maybe I should put my money into other type of assets that can make me more returns, right? Well, that's exactly why I'm making this video, because in my opinion, because of this 50 basis point rate cut, institutions, big money will now think heavily about buying risk assets, okay? Because they have to do something better with their money than making 1.1% effectively. That's not good, okay? So they will think about stocks, they will think about tech stocks, crypto, right? So in my opinion, it's very bullish. Maybe not immediately, because the economy might have bad numbers, but it is bullish, midterm, long term for sure. Maybe this week, next week, it might still be a little bit tricky depending on how the economy numbers turn out to be. But think about it, right? Where would you put your money right now? Because treasury bonds minus inflation, not a lot of money, okay? Very bullish in my opinion. That's the next thing I wanted to tell you here from Token 2049. Let's see how today goes. Wish me some luck, and I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.